In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule your Xero dashboard report to WhatsApp. First, sign into your Xero account with the user permissions needed to access reporting. Make sure you're using a secure login method and that you're in the correct organization if your account has access to more than one. From the main menu, head to Reporting, then select Dashboards. This is where your dashboard reports live. Open the specific dashboard report you want to send. Take a moment to confirm it's showing the right data, date range, and any filters you expect, because whatever you see here is what will be sent. With the dashboard open, find the Export option, usually located near the top right of the report. Click Export, then choose WhatsApp Schedule from the menu. If you don't see it, you may need the right plan, permissions, or an enabled integration, but once it's available, proceed to the scheduling screen. Now configure the WhatsApp schedule settings. Give the schedule a clear name so you can recognize it later. Select the correct time zone and pick the time of day you want messages to go out. If format choices are offered, select the file type that suits your recipients, such as PDF for a clean snapshot. You can also add a short message so recipients know what the attachment is and why they're receiving it. Next, choose the report frequency. Common options include daily, weekly, or monthly. Set the start date and, if relevant, the specific day of the week or month. Align the send time with your team's working hours to ensure the report arrives when people are available to review it. Add the recipient phone number. Enter the full number with the country code and ensure it's registered on WhatsApp. If multiple recipients are supported, add each number in the format Xero requests. Keep this list current and only include numbers that should receive financial information. Before finalizing, review all schedule details. Confirm the dashboard name, frequency, time zone, file format, recipients, and the next scheduled send date and time. Double-check any filters on the report and remove anything you don't want shared. Accuracy here saves troubleshooting later. When everything looks right, click Save or Schedule to activate it. You should see a confirmation that the schedule is set. You can return to this area later to pause, edit, or remove the schedule as your reporting needs change. And that's it. You've successfully set up a WhatsApp schedule for your Xero dashboard report, ensuring timely insights land where they're needed without manual effort.